Hello, my name is Caitlin Nic Gabhann and I want to welcome you here to irishconcertinalessons.com. Here you can take lessons with me in my home to your home. You can learn and improve in your own time. You can take as many lessons as you want. You can pause, rewind, watch the lesson again. You can loop a part of the video if you like. So here we have a complete starter course aimed at the beginner, and for after that we have an improver course aimed at the intermediate level, with new lessons being added all the time. So the starter course is from when you get your first concertina right up until your first 25 tunes and more. And in the improver course we focus on phrasing and rhythm and ornamentation through a range of tunes, from hornpipes to jigs and plenty of reels. My aim here is to help you learn how to learn better and how to be a better concertina player. So if you want to see how it works, go ahead, take one of the free sample lessons. You can send me a message. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to welcoming you here to irishconcertinalessons.com.